Cleanliness is a habit of staying neat and tidy. Cleanliness helps to godliness. Today, cleanliness is important because it helps us stay healthy and free from diseases. When we keep our surroundings clean, we create a safe and happy environment for everyone. Clean habits also show that we care about ourselves and others. We can do it in five ways. Use of hand wash as a concern. We use hand wash to clean our hands. By using hand wash, we keep ourselves clean. Tissue paper is used to wipe and clean hands, body and surfaces. With the proper use of tissue, the spread of many infectious diseases can be. If you don't have hand wash, you can use hand sanitizer to clean your hands. We should trim our nails. We should comb our hairs and trim our nails once in a week. We have to throw trash in the bin so we can keep our environment clean.